Hi, my name is Sethembiso Zulu, all the way from the Vosloorus East Rand. I'm an artist, a documentary photographer, a video journalist, and a filmmaker. I want to invite you to my show, my solo debut show, which will be held at the Northwest University Gallery on the 14th of Feb. The show is titled Ikhaya Moya. Ikhaya Moya loosely translates to the home of spirits, and it's the second part of my photographic trilogy that speaks to my spiritual excursion as an artist and a healer. I hope you'll come and check it out.